Hello, Hitomi here, Bunny Ballistics. On my video, I noticed I forgot like kind of a crucial thing, which was to show y'all the ammo afterwards, which I mean, I thought you guys would be interested in. So here is our Defender line. This is our bear gel, and as you can see, they came out fairly nice. These are just kind of like the old school Talons. Let's see if I can get it kind of better. Yeah, see? They look pretty cool. Just like that. So that was our bear gel. And then right next to it, I'll put the one that was through denim. I know they look a little different. I left these in the gel for like a day, so unfortunately they came out kind of not the greatest looking. But yeah, that's what that looks like. As you can see, these guys have those really nice looking talons. This one's definitely a better looking one since I didn't leave it in. This one you can tell kind of looks, which is unfortunate that I fucking did that. But anyways, that's those guys. Let's see. This is the one that was through bear gel. There's 124. And then we have the one through denim, 124.3. I'm sorry, the other one was 123, wasn't it? Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't read. There's that, and then we have our 115 grain, the plus P plus. So these, I thought they were gonna be kind of like Talons, but I wasn't sure because they said bonded and they weren't T series, which I mean it says right there on the box. So I wasn't sure, but obviously they are not Talons or derivatives of Talons. But as you can see, and I didn't bring all of it with me, but you can see that they lost a fair bit of lead still. So those are both through just bear gel, and then we have this guy. This was through our denim. You can see this one actually lost petals and stuff too. But yeah, let's see. So these are our, they're supposed to be 115. Oh, here we go. Oh, wow. Yeah, they lost a lot. Holy crap. Yeah. Holy shit. Okay, what's this one gonna be then? Oh, wow. They lost a lot. And I did end up fishing a lot out. I just didn't bring it up with me because I wasn't sure which was from which. Well, this one kept a decent amount. I wonder why those didn't. Like, wow, right? Maybe it was just too much speed. You can see how, like, curled they are. But, anyways, give me a second. I'll be right back, and I'll see what the, diameters are. Alright, so this is our Defender, 124gr+P, and this is from basically from Talon to Talon is what I did, so it's about the longest you can get, and 0.684, that is pretty freaking good. Alright, let's check out the one that went through denim next. And here we have our Defender that went through denim. And this is 0.742 from farthest to farthest. So this is the biggest part. So yeah, pretty intense. Look at that. Alright, now we'll go to our Ranger box over here. So we'll be back. Okay. And this is our Ranger through bear gel, and out of the two, this is the biggest I could find. It was 0.5255. And that was out of both of them. Okay, and then we'll have our last one, and that's through our denim on the Rangers. And it was kind of hard to hold this one, but it's basically, if I can get it, 0.781 or 0.780 about is where it's been landing. Try and show you that it's kind of basically connected there. And I'm just kind of, you can see, and there it fell out, but yeah. That's what those were. So, kind of neat. I thought these were going to be more Talon-like, but they definitely were not. And I definitely like how these came out, I won't lie. And I have some other Winchester rounds to show y'all. One I already showed, which was the 147 Ranger Talons, which are actual T-Series. And then I have another Winchester, which I am hoping are like this, but we'll see. And technically, there's an LE model of the other one, but we're probably going to cut that out right now. Okay, bye.